For a few years now, high-powered combat drones have been in use for various military operations. Battlefield UAVs or combat drones are commonly used for intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, search and rescue operation, and many more in the field of military operation. And sometimes, or most often, they can be used as military weapons for defense and offense. So today, we will dive into some of the latest and most high-powered military drones that are at another level. And having said that, before I take you to my main video, get your finger or computer mouse to click that subscribe button and also tick the notification bell so that you will not miss the amazing things happening in my channel. So without further ado, let's just dive into it. Here is an exclusive look at the drone system in the US military. It is already being used to protect troops in war zones, and it can operate with very little human involvement. It's powered by artificial intelligence and detects possible incoming threats. The military rule of unmanned aerial vehicle systems is growing at unprecedented rates. Remotely piloted aircrafts are good for three main mission sets: precision strikes, close air support, and intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance. China is expanding its military arsenal with new drones, including stealth versions and those that can swarm and drop bombs. Sometimes we compare the technology and design of these drones with their US counterparts to see how China is equipping its military for possible future conflict. For years, advocates of US arms sales bemoaned tight export restrictions on armed drones, which has allowed China to move in on a lucrative market while depriving American companies of valuable business. Technofest, which Turkey claims to be the biggest tech festival in the world, took place in Istanbul. And with it, an opportunity for Turkey's military to display its new jewel, drones. After successful campaigns in Libya and Azerbaijan, the TB2 drone has become the flag bearer for the Turkish defense industry. The newest model, the Akinci drone, boasts a double engine, has a 20-meter wingspan, and weighs in at 6 tons on liftoff. Singapore-based Kelly Aerospace has unveiled the Arrow, possibly the world's first supersonic combat drone. The drone is said to be able to fly at speeds of up to 2,572 km per hour, faster than the speed of sound. Apart from air-to-air and air-to-surface missions, the company says the Arrow can also be deployed for intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance tasks. The Arrow is designed to complement manned aircraft and be a force multiplier in the aerial battlefield. Watch a glimpse of how Iran holds drone combat exercise drills. This country unveiled its military drones ahead of combat drills in Semnan province in a display that was visited by Iran's Armed Forces Chief of Staff. The move comes amid high tension between Iran and the United States. And here is a military drill in Persian Gulf featuring Iranian-made drones. Celebrating the successful use of 50 Iranian-made RQ-170 military drones, which are based on the design of a captured Lockheed Martin aircraft. In recent years, Iran has become a prolific drone producer and showcases its surveillance, attack, and weaponized drones during military parades. And that's all there is to it for today's video. Once again, this is Richard Aguilar. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.